How you doing, everyone? Welcome back. Have a really quick look at Moss Carbon Credit, MCO2, and followed my last video where I expected us to continue higher. We haven't, which is a bit of a shame. But what we have done is essentially followed the blue line, and we've found and backtested support at around 11 to 11.20 area, and we've had a slight move higher and just been rejected at 0.5 for this individual move. Fingers crossed we break above shortly and continue on. I mean, what has tended to play out on most of my predictions is we do tend to get to the green line at some point within the prediction, even if it's not following 100% to suit. What I wouldn't like to see is us holding this micro rejection and then tailing off, and then possibly even tailing lower. So I'll do another video in a couple of hours and see what's going on. But yeah, I can't, other than seeing this very clear trading formation play out, I didn't see it. Well, I did see it, but I didn't want to see it, if that makes any sort of sense. I thought that once we'd put in a little bit of back test and support, we'd have that move. We did kind of follow the bullish trend up to the 11.16 area, but after a good 4 hours of attempts to break through, support just wasn't there. So maybe we needed to pull back and have a little refreshed run. But just looking at the previous move where we had many attempts to break higher and consolidate and push, we had a swing and we got rejected again at this 13.20 area, pulled back, had another swing, good pump higher, couldn't get support to hold us above the 13.20. So maybe that is becoming a brick wall for us, and we'll have to watch what happens with this move here. Like I say, the options now are that we break and make it through the 13.20 of the third time of asking, or we get up to that point and then have a tail off, or we may not even make it back there this time round, and we may tail off. So I'm not going to say the move is over, but we do seem to be hitting far more resistance, getting above certain areas than we've seen with previous moves. It has really worked as a support zone for us previously, but now it's acting as significant resistance. So yeah, that's all really. Fingers crossed we move higher. I do expect us to. There's a few coins that are popping off, making nice 50% gains today, and yesterday as well. So the market isn't as red as first feared, and it does look like Moss wants to go higher, but we just need to really start hammering this door and breaking above the 13.20 if we want to see those nice gig candles that we're used to, and as I reported in the last video. So one to watch for the next few hours. We have got significant resistance at circa 12.19. I think that's the next job for us, is to break above and hold, whereas we attempted this here yesterday and we couldn't hold it, which was very unfortunate. So fingers crossed next time of asking we do, and then we can level up. But again, if we lose support at 10.90, then do expect us to tail back to 9.67. Worst case scenario, 8.69. So from where we are, we're not in a bad place, but we could begin to tail off to a bad place, if that makes any sense. All right, best of luck. See you on the next one.